The separation rate looks good here.
Yes, the moisture content is consistent with the target.
Difficult.
All right, steady lift. Watch the pressure, bring it over here.
Watch the alignment on the left. Push it clear. Got it. This one's heavy.
Use the rod.
Center the bundle.
Next one coming down. Clear the way.
Clear the input zone, more stems coming through.
Roger, moving the forklift now.
Ensure alignment before the cutters.
The separation rate looks good here.
Yes, the moisture content is consistent with the target.
We're seeing a slight variance here in the flow rate.
Adjusting the slider now, it should stabilize immediately.
Align the fibers evenly before strapping.
Yes, making sure they are compact. Look at the consistency of this pulp. It's darker than the last batch.
Yes, but the moisture levels are within the acceptable range for composting.
Welcome to the future of sustainable production. Our banana fiber extraction process is full steam.
The fiber separation rate looks optimal on this batch.
Yes, and the liquid transfer to the tanks is stable. We are ready for integration.
Heating phase is stable across all parallel tanks.
Confirmed. Pressure levels are optimal for activation.
Pure, stabilized, and refined. This is the future of Johnson's baby oil, glowing with the essence of the banana stem.
The viscosity on this banana stem batch is perfect.
Agreed. Maintaining the current flow rate for the Johnson line.
The clarity metrics are exceeding expectations.
The banana stem filtration method is a success.
Polishing appears complete. The clarity is exceptional.
Confirmed. The flow rate is perfectly balanced.
To Thingons.
Purity confirmed. The consistency readings are excellent.
Agreed. We are cleared for the next phase.
The flow rate is exactly consistent with the parameters.
Yes, the viscosity is stable across the batch.
fragrance addition sequence complete. All parameters are nominal.
Excellent. The banana stem profile is fully integrated.
The integration is complete. The banana stem extract is perfectly homogenized.
Looks good. Looks good. We are ready for bottling.
Liquid clarity looks good.
System readings are aligned.
All parameters verified. Approved.
The microscopic analysis confirms the high purity of our new formula, with absolutely no visible contaminants.
The microscopic purity results just came through.
Excellent. The batch is fully compliant. We can approve it for production.
The transfer is active, flow rates look good.
Yes, the bottling line is ready for filling.
Pallet 34B scanned and logged, moving to Zone 5.
Confirmed.
34B to Zone 5. Ensure immediate dispatch readiness.
Okay, batch 2 for Tango, confirmed and ready for shipment.
Confirmed. Loading the final pallet now. Secure on the left side.